Hey guys, welcome back to TR3 Performance. Today we have a beautiful SF90 XX Spider in Violetta Dino. This car came all the way from Chicago. The last one we had was here for full body paint protection. This one came in for something a little different. We matched this car with a RYFT full exhaust system, so downpipes and exhaust, stainless steel downpipes, titanium exhaust, made the car pretty much straight pipe. The SF90, obviously it's Ferrari's V8 twin turbo platform, so it is a bit more quiet when it comes to the factory exhaust system. From my understanding, this is one of the first SF90 XX with a complete exhaust system. For sure from RYFT, but possibly other brands have done one beforehand. So follow along here, we'll show you this complete build on how we did install this exhaust. Apart from the installation, we'll be giving you guys rev clips, drive-bys, and point of view while we are driving this vehicle on the road. So stick along. If you do like our videos, go like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.